Namaste student. Today I will discuss about recent methods of pest control. Then first method, insect repellents. What is insect repellents? The chemical which cause insects to move away from their source are referred to as repellents, chemically that prevent insect damage to plant animals by uh, rendering them unattractive, unpatable, offensive are called repellents. Then desirable trials of good repellents. क्या क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए गुड repellents में. Then it should be effective for a long time and on a wide range of insect. Then weathering effects on its should be least should not be toxic. It is to man and animals. Then should leave an acceptance or odors, taste and touch. Then should be harmless to cloth. Should be cheap. Then type of repellents. Repellents are broadly classified as physical repellents and chemicals repellents. Then first is physical repellents. Physical repellents, these produced repellents are physical means and are of two following kinds. Then first is context stimuli repellents. These are substances such as dust, granules, water, oils, leaf hairs, spines and wax that influence of surface texture of the plants to produce a disagreeable effect on the textile sense of the insects. Then first is auditory repellents. These employ sound to ward off insects of intense and amplified sound has been found effective in repelling mosquitoes, pyralid, moth and flies. Then third is visual repellents. Then white light normally attract insect, but the yellow color light is the least attractive and some extent act as visual repellents to insects. Then exotic repellents, chemicals such as pythoid, DDT, BSC, etc., which excite the insect tarsi with stimulating the sensory nerves and force them to leave the treated surface. Then fifth is feeding repellents. Substances that inhibit feeding in insects are called feeding repellents and antipedants. Then chemical repellents. Second, chemical repellents. These are chemical that affect olfactory, gastric receptor on insect and could be plant origin, synthetic as follow. Then repellents or plant origin. The oil of citronella remained a commonly used mosquito repellents and still continues to be constituted of a popular brand of commercial mosquito repellents or Odomas. The oil is extracted from the lemongrass, lemongrass and citronella. Then Borneol and Tarpans, of which the first two are regarded as the main repellents of mosquito. ये जो लेमन ग्रास ये मॉस्किटो के लिए वेरी रिपेलेंट्स है. Then Pythor is another plant product which not only act as an insecticide but in low concentration also as a repellent for blood sucking insect cloth impregnated with some pythor have been found to afford protection against the attack of many insect vectors of diseases like Aedes aegypti, etc. Then synthetic repellents, diethyl toluamide product to bears against mosquito, ticks, flies, and bite files. The others Bordeaux mixture, dimethyl and indolone X repellents for insects. Then use of repellents. Repellents can find several uses, such as they can be used on the body in some formulation to ward off insects. They can be used as fumigants in an enclosed area of insect. They can be used as dust and spray on domestic animal to protect then from noxious biting and blood sucking insect. Then they can be used to drive insects from the natural breeding grounds and to area treated with insecticide and chemosterile or to kill sanitize them. Then secondly, insect antipedant. Then what is antipedant? Antipedant is a chemical that inhibits feeding but does not kill the insect directly. The insect often may remain on the treated plant material and possibly may die to stable. Then these are also cause feeding deterrents. Then group of antioxidant triazines, organoids, carbamates, botanical extracts. These botanical and insecticide. Pythiroid, Margosa. Margosa is reported by Pradhan et al. In 1967. Then extract the leaf of neem fruits. Then apple factor, solvency, alkaloid. Then advantage of antipedant. Advantage antipedant affect only the phytophagous insect and so do not harm the beneficial parasitoid predator and pollinators. As the pest is not immediately killed by antipedant, its parasites and predator continue to feed on its third and keep it under control. Then antipedants produce no phytocity pollution. Then disadvantage of antipedant. Only the chewing type of insects are affects by antipedants. The sucking pest remain unaffected. Then new growth of plants are not protected. As the insects are not immediately killed, they could move to untreated parts, other plants and damage them. Then antipedants are not effective enough to become a sole control measures. Then they could only promise with including integrated control scheme. Then third is insect attract. Chemical that cause insect to make oriented movements toward their source. The source are called insect attracts. Then type of attracts pheromone, natural food leaves, oviposition leaves, poison bats. Then first is pheromones. Very important is pheromone. In 1959, Carlson and Buchanan coined the term pheromone for the chemical that secret into the external environment by an animals and that elicits a specific response in a receiving individual of the same species. It is also refers to the ectohormones depending on the mode of action. Pheromones are divided into two general classes. Then first is one which gives a leisure effect, an immediate and reversible behavior change in produced in the receiving animals. Then one which gives a primer effect, a chain of physiological changes is triggered off in the receiving animal. Gastric stimulation, controlling caste determination, and reproductive control in social Hymenoptera, ants and bees. Then Isoptera termite. Then sex pheromone. A sex pheromone released by one only triggers of a series of behavior patterns in the other sex of the same species and thus facilitates mating. The male insects respond to the odorous chemical released by the female. In certain species of insects, the males are known to produce the sex pheromone which attract the female. Then example in the cotton ball we will Uh, then following sex pheromone have been isolated and identified. Then first is bombygol. Bombygol किससे pheromone प्राप्त होता है? सिल्क वोर, बॉम्बिक्स मोराई, जिप्लूर, जिप्लूर मोथ, गोसिप्लूर, पिंक बॉलवर्म, ट्रिमेड्यूर, मेडिटेरी फ्रूट फ्लाई, क्यूल्यूर, मेलन फ्रूट फ्लाई, लिटल्यूर, टोबैको कटवर्म, हेल्यूर, रेड ग्राम पॉड बोरर, एम्ब्ल्यूर, चेपर बीटल, लुप्ल्यूर, केबेज लूपर, एंड फेरोल्यूर, कोकोनट रेड पाल्म विविल, ल्यूसिल्यूर, ब्रिंजल सूट एंड फ्रूट बोरर. Then sex pheromone in insect pest management. Then first is monitoring of insect pest, trap bats with synthetic sex pheromones is useful in estimating population and detecting early stage of pest. For pheromone trap per acre is recommended. Then second is mass trapping. Mass trapping large number of pheromone bats trap can be used in the field to capture male moth of newly emerged and reduce the number of males of mating. Then control of pest by mating distribution by pre-mating the atmosphere with higher concentration of the pheromone. The opposite sex is rendered confused and unable to locate their mated. Then merit of sex pheromone. The pheromone species is specific. They are shape of the nature in image and environment. They required in a small doses. They are economical and compatible with other components of IPM. Then demerits. Demerits is synthetic pheromone are available only for a few pest species. Replacement of pheromones used at regular interval is required for good catch of moth. Then other demerits of sex pheromone. Pheromone trap attack only target pest even when crop is attacked by many other pests. Then pheromone reception and dispersal are not understood even the most important pest. Then aggregation pheromone. The pheromone released by one sex only elicits response in both sexes of a species. Then trial making pheromones, a low concentration mostly used by foraging ants and white ants. Then alarm pheromone. These substances are elaborated by mandibular glands, stinging apparatus, anal glands, which typically result in fight or aggression. Then nature food lures. These are chemical present in plant and animal host that attract lure insect for feeding. They stimulate olfactory receptors and maybe first is applause scanned in case of the nectar feeding insect, essential oils for the phytophagous insects, decomposition product for the scavengers, carbon dioxide, lactic acid and water for the blood sucking insect. Then oviposition lures. These are chemical that govern the selection of suitable sites for oviposition by the adult female, for example. Then poison bats. Poison bats a mixture of food lure and insecticide. Then advantage of attractant. Attractant do not kill the insect and they do not disturb the ecosystem food chain. They are specific for some insect, uh, so do not affect on non-target pest, and they can be used to master the insects to be subsequently killed by the insecticide. Then disadvantage of trend. Insects can always find untreated host, so their number may not be affected. The attractant cannot be relied as a sole control measures can only be used in integrated control programs. Then genetic insect control. Genetic insect control man is sterile male release technique. When a sterile male release male with normal female, there will be no progeny. Then during sterilization and release at the rate 9 अनुपात 1 sterile to fertilize insects. Then secondly, sterilizing a portion of the natural population. Then example is Scaraborum. Then other example of male genetic control cytoplasmic incapability, hybrid sterility, and population replacement, and auto sterilization. Then population replacement, the ability of disease transmission of vectors is replacement of specific vector population can be changes by genetic methods. Then this is a recent method of pest control. Thank you.